level. You hear Alpha Wolf Breakfast, Pay the Voice Recordings. This is the motherfucking grind, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? This is our reality. Straight up. I want you to peep this shit out, man. We're trying to make, like, unity in this bitch, and we're trying to make sure that everybody understand that you're pulling yourself down, and I feel that you're headed for self-destruction, and we feel that we are all headed for self-destruction. Let's talk about T-Dub, what up, man? You a cop with that one. Yeah, what's up? It's your boy, I'm gonna be supporting local. I don't care if you're from Hampshire, Tyler Park. Shout out to the old man, like King, Detroit Sports Money, A-Wall. Holla at me, bro. I heard you moved down to GA. Holla at your boy, J-Bone, what's up? Katie Dance Fatal, jigsaws, how we do?
I ain't right to that shit. I came in and listened to track.
Hey, that's me.
In the building.
In the business.
Pass for me records, Lucky D, from the producers of Tupac, E42 Shot, the album coming out next week. Curse for Birth on Universal Records and Blasphemy Records. Live from the D. We doing a self-destruction joint. Shout out to my nigga Mike Mosley and them in Cali. What up, nigga D-Buck? Keep the sneak, all you niggas. Yeah, I told you niggas it's gonna be over for you. That's right. We in the building.
Yo,
we in the building.
Yo, hey, what up, yo, man? Statement in this bitch. STEIGHTMENT in this motherfucker.
Get it right.
Good, of course, dog. Yo, check me out. Google me, man. Statement. I'll come up anything, man. I'm out here, man. Alpha Wolf, Fatal Voice in this bitch. We doing big things, man. We trying to uplift our
Shout out to Alpha Wolf.
Shout out to Detroit, man.
Final Phase Production Promotions.
Here, man. I love
Jigsaw, Ajax. The whole crew.
Knox, baby. Representative. Look down in the pavement. My new mixtape coming soon.
Cop that.
Definitely go cop
that. Let's stop that. Let's get started, dog.
My Corona Texas TV Knox. My new one called Knox Vegas. I got On Fire. I got Natural Causes. That nigga Knox, baby. Love y'all.
Pay the Voice Recordings in this bitch.
Hey, Doug.
See it at work.
Alright, we about to get ready to meet.
I'm waiting on the again. What's up?
What's up, man? Come on, man. Let me fuck with you.